Welcome to this video on what is machine learning. Ever since humans started trading, there were always people who tried to seek novel ways to increase their returns. In fact, the Silk Route was established by merchants so they could buy exotic goods from Asia and sell it to Europe at a decent profit for their efforts. Similarly, modern-day traders try to time the market in such a way that their returns are increased. While technical analysis is popular among traders, machine learning has grabbed the attention of the market. What is machine learning? It is considered a subfield of artificial intelligence. Involves a combination of learning models, which allow the program to make predictions on data, and does not require brute force computing. It is more than just a list of instructions which clearly define what the algorithm should do. Moreover, it is closely linked to computational statistics, which uses computers to make predictions. Not applying brute force in computing helps as the key difference between a regular algo and a machine learning algo is the learning model. A learning model allows the algorithm to learn from the data and make its own decisions. This allows machines to perform tasks which are otherwise impossible for it to perform. Such tasks can be as simple as recognizing human handwriting, or as complex as self-driving cars. For example, say an algorithm is supposed to correctly distinguish between a male and a female face from ID card photos. A machine learning algorithm would be trained on training data to learn to recognize any face. Where a simple algorithm would not be capable of performing this task, an ML algo would not only be able to categorize the photos as trained, it would continuously learn from testing data, and add to its learning to become more accurate in its predictions. Recall how often Facebook prompts you to tag the person in the picture. Among billions of users, FBML algos are able to correctly match different pictures of the same person, and identify her. There are many key industries where ML is making a huge impact. Financial services, delivery, marketing and sales, healthcare to name a few. It is expected that in a couple of decades the mechanical, repetitive tasks will be over. Machine learning and improvements in artificial intelligence techniques have made impossible possible,